So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to share templates on Docusign. So firstly, log into your Docusign dashboard. Navigate to the templates page at the top and locate your document under My Templates. Click the checkbox next to the template name, or select multiple templates at once if you want bulk share. Now click the More button on the top of the list and select Share with Users from the drop-down menu. Now, use the Users tab to find the specific team members, or switch to the Groups tab to share with the entire teams like Sales or HR at once. Just a tip: to share a template with your entire organization instantly, just click the Select All box on the Users tab. Now verify your pics under the selected tab. Click Share, and the document will immediately appear in your team's Shared with Me collection. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.